Hello, and welcome to the Idencia App video demonstration. Users embed an RFID tag in their product or attach a barcode. When scanned, the serial number on the tag or barcode is populated in the Idencia app. This becomes the serial number of the product that is used to identify it in the system. Once scanned, the app will open a page with two tabs, Item Types and Jobs. The first tab, Item Types, allows the user to sort through stock products and choose the product to be manufactured. During implementation of Idencia, all of your products will be entered into the system so that you see your products on the screen. The second tab on the screen is the Jobs tab. Here you can sort through the jobs you're working on to find the product to manufacture. This makes for easier sorting and also enables users to import custom product descriptions based on the requirement of that job. See our Management Portal demo video for more on this. Each product is assigned a default process in Idencia. This is the first process typically run on that product. Here, our default process is simple, recording the date of manufacture and the concrete mix number. By doing this, and entering the same information when recording concrete test results, Idencia can prepare a report that shows the concrete test results for every product made from that pour. This is also described more fully in the Management Portal video. Once the default process is complete, Idencia provides a list of all other processes configured in the system. As they are applied to this product over time, they'll be entered into the product record. In this way, Idencia provides a timeline history of everything done to this product from time of manufacture through end of life. In this example, we'll start with the pre-pour process. You can see that the questions can be configured in virtually unlimited ways. Here we have a pass-fail question posed as yes, no, or not applicable. Here it's pass-fail. Note the dots next to each question. If you want to leave a note, click on the dots and enter the note. Down here, we're asked to enter the setup length, width, and depth in inches. Note that these are shaded in blue because they're required steps. Until these are answered, the next button below remains shaded, and we can't move forward. The tablet can be set up to provide pick lists with default answers. If your rebar size is typically 4, you don't need to enter the information. If it's different this time, you can click on it and choose from alternative sizes. Idencia can also record pictures. Just click on Take Picture and use your phone or tablet to take the picture. You can review the picture before proceeding and retake it if you want. Now that we've entered the pre-pour information, we'll pour the concrete and input concrete test results. We'll use the auto-generate feature to produce a date and timestamp that will serve as the serial number. We'll look under Item Types for Cast QC, our process for recording concrete tests, and we'll click it. It asks for the date and mix number to associate this test with the products made from the same pour. The system will be set up to reflect the information that you currently collect for your concrete tests. For instance, if you use spread instead of slump, Idencia will request that you input your spread information. We enter the wet test results, click Next, and we see that the concrete test is complete. When we come back to enter the concrete cylinder breaks, Idencia will take us there to start. Now let's go to the post-pour inspection for the same dry well that we started previously. Simply scan the tag, and we can now choose the post-pour inspection. If we want to check the product documents or engineering drawings while working on this product, all we have to do is click on the question mark in the upper right corner of the tablet. We proceed through the inspection, and the last question gives us choices for status. If a product needs repair, it will be included in a needs repair report, that will be automatically emailed. When we move the product to the yard, we can scan the tag and engage the Move to Yard process. This automatically upgrades the product to finished goods inventory and captures the GPS location for future viewing on a map. The Idencia app automatically syncs with your web-hosted account, so information that's entered on the tablet becomes real-time information in your management portal. Here we can see the information we entered today. We see the basic information, its current location on a map, and its most recent status. We also see that the post-pour inspection has been recorded, and finally we see that it's been moved to the yard. This is how Idencia is used to capture information more accurately and efficiently than paper-based methods. If you want to learn more about how Idencia records information and produces powerful reports, please view our Idencia Management Portal video. Thanks for your interest.